Hello, this is Micah with Team Free Labor, presenting our Sprint 3 Team Progress video. We'll start with Michael Keller.
This is Michael Keller for Sprint 3. As an advisor, I want to see only my appointments so that I can know the times I have selected for advisement sessions. The advisor can only see their appointments. As you can see, there's only 2 appointments on this advisor's appointment page. I have selected those times for students to come and see them. If we go and look in the database, there's actually 3 appointments that have been set up, but the 2 that you saw were for this advisor only. As an advisor, I want to be able to create a new appointment so that students can sign up for advisement. The advisor can make new appointments. On the advisor appointment page, if they would like to make a new advising block, give it a title, pick a starting time, an ending time, click Save. You can see that it only makes that one appointment here, but for the students, you can see that it's going to make more than one available time for them to sign up for the appointments. Those 3 appointments were made from that one that was made on the advisor's calendar. As an advisor, I want to be able to delete an appointment so that if something comes up, I can cancel. The advisor can delete an appointment. On the advisor appointment page, I decided that this time isn't going to work for me anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this time block for advisement appointments. As you can see, it's been removed from my calendar, and it will be removed from the database as well.
Hello, I'm Anthony LaBelle, and I'll be going over my user stories and acceptance criteria for Sprint 3. For my first user story, as a student, I want to browse my file directory so that I can select a picture. The acceptance criteria. The student can click a button to browse the file directory and select a picture file. Okay, here's a button right here, choose file. Goes to the file directory and you could select an image file and you can hit open. For my second user story, as a student, I want to store the selected profile picture in the database so that I can access it when I need. The acceptance criteria. The student can click a button to store the selected picture file into the database. Okay, as you can see here, the database, you can see John's ID is 3. And we can go to the picture database right here. There are none inserted. Let's refresh it. Okay, so there's nothing there. Now let's go ahead and upload this file. It says upload success. Now let's refresh this. And there's John's ID with the picture file in the database. For my third user story, as a student, I want my profile picture to show on my profile page so that my profile is more personable. The acceptance criteria. The student can view their picture on the profile page. Okay, let's go ahead and save these changes. And now that picture is on the student profile page. Thank you very much. That's it for me.
Hello, this is Micah McKinnon with my Sprint 3 user stories. My first user story was as a user, I want to be informed when I successfully log out when I click the log out button so that I can feel safe. The acceptance criteria is the user is notified that they successfully were logged out of the system after clicking log out. Here we are on the profile page, and I'll go ahead and click log out. And as you can see, the user is notified that they successfully logged out. My second user story was as a user, I want to have a button to be able to log back in after logging out so that I can log back into the system in case I forget to do something. The acceptance criteria is the user is taken to the login screen after clicking the sign back in button. I'll go ahead and click the sign back in button. And as you can see, we're taken to the login page. This has been the Sprint 3 Team Progress video for Team Free Labor. Thank you for watching.